In this video, I want to show you how to access and use our help desk for support and also our feature request forum. You should have already had an email from us prompting you to sign up to this. If you haven't, please contact a member of support and we'll make sure that we get one sent out. You can access this via garagehive.co.uk/helpdesk. Once you're here, if you enter your username and your password, you'll be presented with this screen. So on this screen you will see this is the Garage Hive support portal, and we've got a number of support ticket requests that you can raise. The most common one obviously being technical support. To raise a ticket, select the appropriate ticket, write a brief summary of your issue and a further description if necessary. You can attach images using the browse or drag and drop feature and just click send at the bottom. When you've got tickets raised, if you go to the request section in the top right, you can look at all tickets that were raised by you, and there's various filters to filter through different types of categories and different requests. They even stay there after they're completed, so that if you know that you've raised a query in the past that we resolved but you can't remember it, you can come back here and revisit the ticket. Okay, back to the support portal. At the top you'll see a button here for feature requests. If we select that, it'll forward you to a new page and it prompts you to create an idea. You don't have to create an idea at this point, but if you do, once you've submitted create, it will ask you to sign in. Or alternatively, you can just click sign in at the top here and you'll be presented with only one option. Now, Jira is the platform that you were using on the previous screen. So if we just click sign in with Jira, it'll launch this page. Sometimes this page closes immediately and it logs you in, but click on the person to the right, click on profile, it will find your details and log you in. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of tickets that other people have raised and you're free to peruse them. There's a search bar in the top to search for something before you raise it yourself, and you can obviously click on the heading of a issue. You can submit your views or comments and pictures, and you can vote or watch this ticket to see how things are being progressed. As always, we'd appreciate any feedback that you've got, and if you have any questions, please contact a member of support.